Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley B. Deck, and today I'll be sharing this beautiful glueless lace wig install. Now this one is for the beginner-friendly girlies who just don't want to do a whole lot. She comes courtesy of Rpgshow Lifestyle, and she's a gorgeous curled layered bob. We have her in the length 14 inches, and again, we used zero glue, zero gel, zero spray. This one is 100% glueless, and you're definitely gonna love her. I have a direct link in the description box as well as all of the details. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the install. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So let's get into the install. I love a good jam session. This is what the wig looks like straight out the box. Rpgshow Lifestyle has some of the best packaging on the market. Here is a look at the inside construction of the cap, as well as a detailed look of what the wig looks like when you first unbox her. She is set as a side part. Here, I'm just going in and cutting off that excess lace in the back. You can definitely leave a little if you would like to bond her down. For me personally, I cut all the way up until, you can't anymore. And then I go ahead and cinch in the nape by just adjusting those straps in the back. This one also included adjustable elastic band. That way you can make the wig have a little bit more of a snug fit. Here I am trying her on for size, and I'm absolutely impressed. We did no prep at all. This one is 100% done by Rpgshow Lifestyle. The hairline, the parting, the lace, everything about this one is amazing. Look at how beautiful she is from the back. The curls are so professional, so neat, and I just can't wait to comb her out. For specs, this one is Modern Beauty 016. She's 14 inches in length. The lace or cap construction is 13 by 6, and she is a Swiss lace front wig. This is also 200% density, and she does come in an array of lengths as well as colors if you want to switch it up a little bit. For me, I'm going to go ahead and start the install process. I just like to pull the hair back and then just cut off the excess lace. Today we're using an eyebrow razor, and you guys can see the comparison of the lace on and off. It literally is seamless and blends effortlessly with my complexion, and I definitely love that for me. So I'm also going to go ahead and make sure that the wig fits around the ears. If there's any excess lace or hair, you can definitely cut around to make it a perfect fit. Now I'm going to go ahead and make the lace just 100% blend and be camouflaged with my skin. I like to use the Maybelline foundation. I feel like it comes in enough colors that you can find one that blends with your complexion perfectly, and it's affordable and, readily available at your local Target, Walmart, or I'll have a link down below for Amazon. You guys can see there is no installation process today. It's 100% glueless because the wig is so good, so amazing that it definitely fits glueless. A lot of the times it gets tricky with frontals because the sides won't fit glueless if the center does. But you guys can see with this one, it fits glueless from ear to ear and it doesn't slide back at all. Here, I'm just extending the parting. To be honest, this is one of the critiques I can make for myself. I like the way they had a little bit of a short parting and it kind of just flipped over naturally and effortlessly. I wanted to share with you guys how much parting space you get, and I did extend it all the way back, but I will say that it looks better the way they had it before without the extended parting. Just critiquing myself, you guys can definitely customize yours to how you want it, but it does look a little bit more awkward. If you want to show off the entire parting, I'd highly recommend you turn it into like a curved like C-shaped parting, or maybe even an L, and it would look a little bit more flattering. Nonetheless, we're going to just go ahead and comb out the length of the hair. You guys can see the curls are beautiful. They didn't have to like put them in flexi rods or rollers. They literally sent her over in a net and the curls were preserved. I don't know how they do it, but it's absolutely amazing that you can literally just comb them out and you're ready to go. For a little bit of detail, I did add the Dynamic Duo, which is the wax paired with the electric hot comb, just to press everything in and give it a little bit more of a sleek fit around the lace. I also added a little bit of concealer, and from there, I just kind of shifted the wig to kind of go exactly where I wanted. You can do a center part, a side part, or even a deep side part, and literally we are good to go. Okay, love bugs, so we are done with this look, and I'm so excited because I have Pilates at 7, and it is, what time is it? It's 5:55 or 5:52, I can't read, but I have Pilates at 7, so I wanted to be done filming this hair tutorial by 6:30 so that I can switch to my Pilates gear. But now I have time to put my babies in the bath because this one went so fast, so I'm super excited about that. Now this one did come from Rpgshow Lifestyle. You guys know I love this company, and then this is their packaging. Love their boxes. This is the, like, your what do you want to call it, like your info card, your receipt, your thank you, all of that. And then inside they also gave you some brown wig caps, and they are brown like me, so that is perfect. They did also include their magazine, the Rpgshow magazine. Love this for the culture. And then another just info card, as well as this really good quality, really nice dust bag. It just feels really good. It feels like luxury. It feels like if this is in your travel bag or your good night bag or whatever the case may be with your wig in it, it just feels like luxury. And of course it says Rpgshow Lifestyle, be beautiful. So we love that for us. Now what I love most about this one is that this one is specifically for the girl who just really wants to be able to invest in a new unit and really not do any work. Like, who wants to buy a unit and then have to find someone to install it and to continue to install it and just not have the power or the control to be able to do it at home? This one here is definitely a game changer. Look how beautiful these curls are. If you are beginner, intermediate, and you're watching this, 9 times out of 10 you probably can't pull off curls this good. And literally they were able to do the curls on site, put it in a box, and send it to us, and it has still this amazing curl pattern. So I love this for me because I don't have to get anybody to professionally curl my hair. I don't have to stress myself about curling it myself, and even more importantly, the install process. This one fits glueless, so I'll be able to wear this one to Pilates tonight if I want. And look, when I say glueless, I literally mean like it sits on my head and you can, you know, put it wherever you like. Now, if you prefer your wigs to be a little bit more supported, you can definitely bond it down. But honestly, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I'm not going to add anything to it. I am going to Pilates. Pilates doesn't require me to like sweat an extreme amount, so it'll be okay and it'll be in great shape after the fact. I'll just put it up in a really cute banana clip, and that is super sexy. This is really cute. Like this, and then I'll be able to have my fun afterwards, or I can just take it off and switch to like my gym wig and just preserve the curls and let her sit on a mannequin head. Either way, the fact that I can take her on and off and I don't have to get in the shower with her, I don't have to work out in her if I don't want to. I love that flexibility to me, and the curl pattern is going to hold. Also, if you really want a little bit of extra support but you don't want to add an adhesive or a glue, I would also recommend a what do they call, like the wig band, what are they called, the wig grips. I have a few of those. I personally don't use them because I never need them, especially with my Rpgshow and Rpgshow Lifestyle wigs. If they fit glueless, they fit glueless and they don't slide. But if you're someone who just wants a little bit of support and to make it feel just a little bit more protected, or if you have like a super tiny head, I'd recommend adding a wig grip below or underneath the wig, and that'll help you to get a little bit more reassurance that the wig like won't slide back or move, especially if you're going to be like working out or, you know, just running around with your kids during the day. But if you're interested in this wig, I do have it linked in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!